What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, we're going to go over how to integrate and sync up QuickBooks with HighLevel and what it can all do. I'll see you inside today's video. Now, to sync up QuickBooks with HighLevel is really easy. You do need to have a QuickBooks account. I would recommend having it already open in another tab. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to go down to settings right here. Then going to go to then integrations right here in the left. Click that, and then you'll see right here in the bottom left, you'll see connect in QuickBooks. So you're going to go ahead and click it, connect QuickBooks. You'll see the connecting wizard will pop up here. It will ask you if you want to connect it to the account, which is the one that I'm using. You go ahead and say okay. And you can set up now if you want to trigger on a new invoice so that it will connect to and will trigger inside of QuickBooks. And then you can refresh, and then you'll see that when you go to QuickBooks, it will start pulling data from actually inside a HighLevel and connected this account. You won't be able to see it necessarily in all my stuff. I have my information hidden, but they'll connect and be able to interface and be able to track your sales and any other invoices or anything you have like that. So super easy to set up, super easy to use. See you in the next video. Thanks so much. Funnel Doc out. Peace.